Hi, I'm Sophie and I'm on the 2010 VisMOOC team for Bond. Okay, so we're just going to give you a bit of an overview of the timeline of the competition. So we got the problem about 6 weeks ago. We have our first submission, so our first lot of arguments due in December, so in a couple of weeks. And then we have to do our submissions for the other side, which are due in beginning of January or middle of January. And then we have until we go away to Hong Kong in April, so in the first week of April. So since we got the problem, basically we spent the first couple of weeks just trying to get really familiar with the facts, which isn't the most straightforward process because the actual problem itself is 67 pages long and quite complicated. And then because we've got 4 people on the team, we split it up into 4 main issues and went off and did our own individual research. And this in itself is also quite a difficult process because you're sort of doing an area of law which perhaps you're not particularly familiar with, and going through resources which you haven't had to use before, like online catalogues, electronic databases, library catalogues, journals, etc. And then now we're in the crux of the writing stage. As we're writing, we have to collaborate with everyone else because our issues do sort of overlap. And yeah, we had our first draft was actually due today with our individual parts. And now we've got another couple of weeks to make sure that the submissions that we actually hand in make some sort of sense.